Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, I got a big package in the mail today. It's kind of cool. And I'll go ahead and open it up, mainly to see, I can't work on it today, so this is just going to be kind of a first look and review type thing. A little bit of a box opening, I guess you would say. And we're going to see if everything came in okay shape. I gotta say, the package looks in decent shape for the last, I don't know, 7 out of 10 packages I've had were super damaged on the outside. Luckily not everything was damaged on the inside, but I've had to send 2 or 3 things back recently as well. So let's see how this fared. And I gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised with their packaging. It's fairly thick box. I wouldn't say, I mean, you can tell that's metal, but it's got some cushion on it, and it looks like, anyway, so far, they've tried to at least package things fairly well. Inside of that is this right here, which is all the stuff that goes with it. Came with the whole instructions and what appears to be an intact box of hardware. And as you can see, it is doors for my razor. And I gotta say, so far, I'm fairly happy with the shipping as far as that, and quality doesn't look too bad. There's a couple scratches in it here, but quite honestly I was going to paint these probably anyway. So I'm also noticing that the outer shell here, although not damaged or anything like that, none of the screws here appear to be tightened all the way. They look like they've just been kind of thrown on by hand, so I'm definitely going to have to tighten these up. But I'm actually pleasantly happy because I bought the cheapest eBay doors I could find. I was going to get them off Amazon, but I noticed eBay had them for like 130, I think 138. I'll put a price somewhere in the screen. So, and they appear to be the same doors. I mean, they really do. They got the same picture of the same razor with the same doors. And they do, this is a suicide opening doors, so this is the front and the hinge is over here on this right here. We'll have to see. Fit is going to be where it matters the most. As far as finish, you know, I'm going to scuff it up and paint it. Like I said, there's 2 pretty good sized scratches, but I don't see any dings or dents, and I want these for protection. That's why I'm buying these. Where we've been going, there's a lot of sticks have been poking in the doorways, and I want to keep the sticks out from my legs and the rest of my body, so that's mainly why I got this. Plus I do plan on riding this in the winter. This will give it a little bit more heat. I also, you know, for mud and rainy days, this keeps you a little bit less dirty. So a lot of reasons, but mainly for the protection. That's why I went with metal instead of aluminum. I'm hoping they're metal. We'll see. No, this might be aluminum. It did say metal on the thing, but then it did say something about aluminum. So I do believe these are aluminum, but they feel pretty solid. So I think they all must have aluminum now. I don't even know if you can buy steel doors anymore. And if later on I decide I don't like it, I can always replace this piece with another piece. It doesn't look like that difficult of a bend right here. And the other upside that a lot of people don't talk about when it comes to aluminum actually is that if it does get dented or dinged, I can cold shrink this, meaning I can take that dent out without using heat. You can do that with aluminum. With steel, you cannot do that. So it is one upside to aluminum, even though I know people complain that they dent too easily. Anyhow, I'm actually pretty happy with it. As far as the finish is concerned, there's definitely some scratches and things and chips. Not really, well, there's a chip here as well. But mostly scratches, not too many. And I wasn't worried about the type of coating. It's supposed to have some sort of powder coat type thing, but they call it something else, which is just a cheaper version of powder coat, basically. So if you don't want them to rust, you're probably going to want to paint them. I will say that. Well, I am pretty happy though. I'm going to open up the other door off camera and make sure that there's no problems with it. But all in all, keep an eye out for a video on my RZR playlist. Go to my channel, go to my RZR playlist, and I will have an install of these, and you'll be able to see how they actually fit. But like I said, these were the cheapest eBay ones I could find. The Amazon ones were $199, I think was the cheapest one I could find on Amazon, and this was like $138. So, and I am about 98% positive they're probably from the same company, same door, everything. I don't know for sure, but I would say they probably are. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.